Hey everybody, today I'm playing Ragdoll Engine 2 for the first time, and I'm sliding down. Whee! This is fun. Whee! Ouch. Way! Ooh, I almost fell. Hey man, wake up. He moved. Oh my, he's flying. Get out there. Come on. Let's get some animations, guys. It's free here. Guys, it's free here. Just don't want to be like... I'm gonna get the ninja. How was the ninja? There we go. Amen. Ah! He's away from keyboard, but it's kind of laggy for me. Kinda laggy though. But this is all I want. Oh, let's be the gold. He's just away from keyboard. I don't want a boombox. Oh my, that's kind of slow. Oh, I'm flying. Whee! Guys, I didn't know this, this is kind of nice. This is kind of nice, guys. This animation is kind of cool. Oh, Among Us. Oofy, this is the YouTuber called Oofy. Oh, this is Oofy. I didn't remember. When someone... Oh, they have the brush shirt. Someone's just away from keyboard. This one, he's away from keyboard. I punched him. Man, come here. Come here, girl. Come here, little girl. Here. Come here. Stop running away. Oh. Ouchie. Stop that. Hey, you got a little sus. Which one should I pick? Oh, bacon with a too. No, bacon. This kind of nicer. I use this, guys, this one. This is for the girls, I think. I like the music. Did they know? I need a. I like that. And the world is here. Guys, what in the world is not a bad word, guys. He only done. Hey! Oh my, baba. That's a Tagalog, man. Just get out, man. Man, he did not hit it. Come here. Doink. Doink. Ah. Um. Oh my. Oh my. This guy. Oh my, the guys. Look at this. This is fun. Punish this. Doesn't will break the wall. Doesn't broke. It's not broken. If I explode. And then it just explode. Guys, if I exploded the water, what will happen? Doesn't know. Doesn't know. Okay. Guys, I don't care for Vince cause he's playing at 12 a.m. cause he knows that's morning cause I'm sleeping at 9 p.m. cause I'm annoyed. I don't care. Never mind. I don't care, Vince. Never mind. Never mind, guys. I don't care about him. He's a YouTuber though and getting many views and subscribers. I want to get 300 subscribers. Oof. Oof. There's also the Ragdoll engine. Oh my. Get out. Let me get out, man. Oh my, you lay. Hey, come back here. You're mean. Come back. You little. Come here. Just explode yourself. Ha, you're mean. Oh my. Hey, bacon. Hey, bacon. Oh, that's not even bacon. Unfair. I'm sorry, guys. I said, oh, I hit something, but he's away from keyboard. Let's go up now. Wait, let me. Wait. I like this animation, guys, but the Robux is 250. I don't have Robux. One like, one Robux. He's just away from keyboard. Why are you always? You're just flying like a bird. He goes back through the start. I'm flying. Oof. Let's go through bone. Ow. Ouchie. Anti-gay. Whoa, look at that! Wait, this is fun! Ooh, face palm. Oof. Wah. Help me here! I'm the rich and I can't stop. Oof. Okay, guys. Game. It's game. Wah! Wah! Help me! I can't stop this. Oof! Whoa! Oof! Ah! Oh, someone seed me! Help me! Oh my God! How did someone get a car? Oh my! Let's go up top first and then hit this. Hit this toaster! Last one and I'll end the video, guys, when I hit myself. Okay, if I crash there, I'm gonna say bye-bye to the video. Whee! My God. How? Oh my God, I'm just flying like a bird. Oh my, I'm gonna fall down, guys. Here, game. Okay, guys, this is the finale. The finale. Oof. Oh my, I'm just still healing. Ah. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna end the video, and thank you guys for many subscribers, for 32 subscribers, and thank you for many views and Evolution of James, and I'll see you next time. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye bye.